अनेकता का संगीत।
Come on, everybody! A huge round of applause. ताली तो बनती है, ताली तो बनती है, ताली तो बनती है। Everybody! Take the chair, Manyavar Kashiram chair. We have the eminent personality with us. I would like to request our Honorable Chairperson, Squad Leader A.K. Singh, to kindly honor Professor Brajesh Chand with a beautiful token of love, a beautiful memento. Huge round of applause. Constantinos is very focused on his studies. He is very focused on 31st August 2008 in Mind Games Association 22nd Chess Championship. Secured first prize in Hindalco 17th UP State Chess Championship and lot more achievements which he secured in the game of chess. So we have all-round performers in Dr. MPS group of institutions. Achievers are there in education, achievers are there in sports, achievers are there in extracurricular activities. Achievements are there in terms of placement. Third in the list, we have Mr. Kabir. He has represented state in lot many state competitions, basketball competitions, representative nationals in basketball, CBSE, Batinda, represented state national championship held at Meerut, and lot more achievements in the field of sports in basketball. जैसा कि मैंने कहा, डॉक्टर एमपीएस ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशंस के स्टूडेंट्स हर फील्ड में आगे हैं। उसी कड़ी में एक फील्ड होती है समाज सेवा की, देश के लिए कुछ करने की, देश के लिए कुछ जज्बे की। ऐसी परिस्थितियों में जबकि वो ब्लड ग्रुप कहीं मिल नहीं रहा था, कहीं अवेलेबल नहीं था, इन्होंने कुछ ही टाइम पहले अमर उजाला द्वारा लगाए गए कैंप में ब्लड डोनेट किया था और वहीं से इनका डेटा पे कॉल की गई एंड ही वॉज कॉल्ड ऑल द वे फ्रॉम मैनपुरी और सभी काम छोड़ के विदिन 1.5 आवर्स ये आगरा आ गए और इस बात के लिए इन्होंने सम्मानित भी किया गया। Our Honorable Chairperson, Squad Leader A.K. Singh, our Honorable Co-Chairperson, Madam Neelam Singh, I would like to request Madam Nidhi to kindly escort Ma'am to the stage. I would like to request I would also like to call our director, Dr. Rajiv Ratan, on stage to encourage the students. As a reward, we are going to present some tablets to these students to encourage them, जिससे कि इनका हौसला और बढ़े और आगे जाए और जोश हो. We will present a tablet and a certification of felicitation, a certificate of honor to all these candidates. First of all, I would like to request Honorable Chairperson Sir to kindly present a tablet and a certificate of honor to Mr. Constantinos Satrio. I would like to request our co-chairperson Madam Neelam Singh to kindly present a tablet to Akanksha Gupta. इनके जज्बे के लिए तालियां तो बनती हैं. I would like to request ma'am again to present a reward of excellence to Akanksha Gupta. Keep growing and keep performing. To Mr. Devraj for his contribution to the society and saving the life of a very needful person. I would like to request our basketball. I would like
Ya, hanya. Aduh.
Hep.